Hi guys, in this session we will look at the R basic programming. So let me just get you guys into a flow. So in the previous session we have looked at the advantages of R and why we are why the data scientist and the day for the data analysis, why we chose R to work on. Okay, so first let us start from how to install the R, and then we will move towards the R programming. So first let me open the Google. You just need to type download R. So guys, from here you need to download the R for Windows. If your operating system is Mac or Unix or Linux, so you can go for that. So here as I have a Windows system, so I will just download the Windows R for Windows, and here you have a latest version of R to download, R 3.4.1 for Windows. So once you click on this link, you can able to download the R. Okay, so guys, once you download the R, you need to install the R base version. Okay, then after installing the R base version, you need to download the R Studio. So guys, R Studio will help us to write the script and write the programming codes on the top of it. Okay, so guys, even you can able to write a program in R, but UI like R is like user interface, and it is very friendly. It will help us to look the output, input and output in a multi dimensions. So I will show you in the RStudio how a non-programmer can easily understand the programming and its input output. Okay, so once you install the R, then you need to download the RStudio. Download RStudio. Yes, so this is the link where you need to download the RStudio. So guys, here depend on your operating system, you need to download the RStudio latest version. Okay, so once you download, click on it, and it's a traditional way of installing the R and its RStudio. So guys, first you need to download R, then RStudio, because without R, RStudio will not work. RStudio is just like a UI, but the base on which the RStudio works is your actual R. Okay, so once you install the R, then you just click on start and type RStudio. So you will get RStudio here, and click on the RStudio, it will open the UI phase.